Dreambaby's Savoy Bed Rail is a great way to help keep your children safer at night. It's ready to assemble and comes with a storage bag. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, no tools required. To assemble, lay out all the parts so they are ready to use. You'll notice the center linking and outer tubes are a bit thinner than the others. First, pull down the frames and brackets until they click and lock into position. Next, feed the cover onto the frame. With the squeeze of a button, join both frames with one linking tube. Spread the cover over the frame. The cover is machine washable, which is a really great feature. Then, join the base tubes Now feed the assembled base tube through the bottom of the cover. While squeezing the inner base tube buttons, insert the outer buttons securely into the brackets. Next, join the center linking and outer tubes. Feed through the center pocket and close the flap. The Savoy Bed Rail is also suitable for slat beds. Before positioning under the mattress, you must rotate the T-bar 90 degrees. It's easily portable, which means it is also great for overnight trips at the grandparents', friends', vacations, or holidays. And now your assembly is complete. The extra-wide length and height of the bed rail keeps your little ones safer as they transition from the crib to a bed. The sturdy rail and breathable mesh material are easy to install. The breathable mesh material cover comes off for washing. It's machine washable, which is really convenient and easy. To remove the cover for washing, just reverse the assembly steps. Position the bed rail so it must have a space of at least 23 centimeters or 9 inches from both ends of the bed. Slide the straps under the mattress and out the other side. And remember to use the T-bar for slat-based beds. Adjust and tighten the straps so that the two anchor plates are tight and flat against the side of the mattress. To open, release the lock by lifting both tabs simultaneously on the bed rail brackets, then lower the bed rail side down. To close, lift the bed rail side until it lines up against the mattress and the two tabs click and lock into position. It's as easy as that. The safety anchors securely hold the bed rail in place. The convenient fold-down rail makes for easy bed making and especially great for story time. Regularly check your bed rail to ensure it's assembled and fitted properly and securely. It's suitable for children between 18 months and 5 years of age.